Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Bling Galleria, and we're diving right into fall here. We're going to be using two colors here. The first one is called Carmel, and it is the perfect nudie caramel color. The name is perfect for this dip powder. It has the perfect undertone to it, and check out this full coverage. Isn't this amazing? That is just with one dip, and it has the most beautiful shimmer to it, and Carmel's going to complement so many different skin tones, and we're transferring into this autumn fall season here, and Carmel's kind of like the perfect transition color. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's like the perfect pop of fallness that I need right now, and I just love this shimmer so much. And we're going to pair it today with Autumn Sparkle. And Autumn Sparkle, it's beautiful. It has a clear base to it, and then it has these beautiful gold flakies in it, and then it has some really fun leaves in there that you're going to see, and you're going to be shocked that these leaf pieces of glitter lay very flat to the nail. So you're going to see that dip powder here in action in just a little bit, but we're diving into this mani here with Carmel. We're also doing the gel method today, and I'm using my favorite gels from Bling Galleria. They're also HEMA free. They're amazing. I talk about them all the time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mallory, and I do post weekly, almost daily uploads on my channel. I like to do press-ons. I feel like you can see a really good color payoff and really see how colors perform with the press-on method. Plus, since I change my nails all the time, I really enjoy the press-ons because then I can reuse them, because I do spend a lot of time on them, so then I kind of have them if I want to wear them again. So that is why I really enjoy making press-ons. Also, to adhere the press-ons, I use these little sticky tabs that I get from Amazon. I will link them in the description box below. Also, you could use your dip base to apply them to your nail. If you're looking for a shorter wear, you could do a layer of peel base. Let that dry completely, and completely is key when you're using peel base, and then do a layer of dip base on your nail and put a little bit on that press on, and then you can go ahead and apply that to your nail. That's going to give you more easily to remove the tips as well. We are using jelly tips, but I really love press-ons. I think they're so fun. We are using the shape Short Coffin today from Sundara Nails, but you're gonna see here we're dipping into that beautiful Autumn Sparkle here, and I am not too concerned that I'm not picking up a lot of the flakes. We're gonna add more, and these flakes right here, they're like a holographic gold, so you're getting tons of color shifting change to these glitters. So this is the first dip here. We're going to cure it for 30 seconds, and those flakies are laying really flat to the nail. Now the second dip is where we're going to pick up a little bit more of those flakes, and we're also going to pick up some of these really fun leaves here. So the leaves, there's red, there's orange, there's gold, there's like a white gold in here. These leaves are so fun, and they are laying very flat to the nail with the gel method, which I am completely blown away by this. I used this dip powder once before for a Thanksgiving mani, and I paired it with a green, I don't think it was malachite. It was another green from Bling Galleria. And it is just a really beautiful dip. You can do so many different pairings with Autumn Sparkle. So now it is not cured. I am just gently dabbing on a little bit of gel base here on that bare spot, because I want to add another leaf to this mani here. And I'm just going to put one of those like white gold leaves on there, and that is all I'm doing for this mani. I am just gently moving around those leaves, and they are laying so flat to the nail. So now I'm going to add the second dip to this other nail here, and we're going to pick up some more leaves and more foil. And if you don't pick up a lot of the foil that you want or the leaves, you can always hand place more. That is the best part about this dip, is that you can totally make it however you want. You can do the two dips like we did right now and keep it organically on how everything laid, or you can build it up and add more. I want to add some more leaves. These are going to be our fun accent nails, and these leaves were just so easy to work with that I wanted to add as many as I could to this mani. Now we are doing the gel method today, so we have a little bit more wiggle room when we are placing these leaves on the nail. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds, and we're going to dust off, and you can see that these leaves are laying really flat. So I want to add a little bit more of those gold flakes. So I'm going to take this ombre brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and just dip that into the powder and just gently tap some more of that gold flakiness goodness all over that nail. Super easy, just another way to help reduce bulk instead of going in with a full full-blown dip, you could just go ahead and sporadically place some of that foil where you want, or that dip powder where you want, by using this method right here. It's really going to help cut down on that bulk, but I love this method so much, and plus it added a little bit more sparkle to those leaves. So again, curing that for 30 seconds, super easy, dusting it off, and then we're going to go ahead and file and buff right away. So file and buffing was super easy. All I'm doing right now is cleaning up the sides, the free edge, just reshaping just a little bit, but nothing too crazy. And that's all I needed to do. I did not need a buff on the top of those leaves or anything, because everything was laying super, super flat to the nail. That's the combination of using a dip powders from Bling Galleria. They're very high quality dip powders. They're finely milled, and then the consistency of those gels are perfect for the gel method. Now, if you were doing the gel method and you had a little bit of bulk on those leaf nails, you could do a layer of gel base, cure that for 30 seconds, and then go in with a layer of gel top coat, cure for 60 seconds. Then you can go ahead and use your buffer block on top. That's going to protect those leaves. Gel method does not like clear, so never put clear, straight clear dip powder on those gels. You will be very sad. It will make it look very grainy, and it's not gonna look clear at all, and you're barely gonna see those leaves. So just keep that in mind. To finish up, we did that gel base, cured it for 30 seconds, and then we're finishing up with the gel top coat and curing that for 60 seconds. And here's the finished mani. I love it so much. I'm completely obsessed with this mani. I think it's so pretty. It is perfect for fall. Caramel is just like a great accent color to just dabble into those fall tones right now. And I feel like it really just complements Autumn Sparkle, and it just really makes Autumn Sparkle pop. But overall, just a fun mani, and that color shift from Autumn Sparkle is to die for. And when you see it in the sunlight, it's even better, right? Just because when you didn't think it could get any better, it takes a whole new life of its own with those holographic shifty flakes in there. But love how this mani turned out. Again, I'm going to link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. If you haven't checked out Bling Galleria, head over to the Etsy shop. There is going to be a website that is in the works, but for now, jump over to that Etsy shop and you're going to find colors that are going to catch your eye. So I hope you enjoyed this mani, and I'll see you all in the next upload.